tuangalie zile opposite. Kama huyu ni A, manake the side which is facing this A, it is this BC. So we are naming this side to be A because it is opposite with this one. And if you need to use this, you need to know the length of this one by using a small letter. This is C, so it is facing this side AB. Kwa hiyo hii tutatumia small c. Na hii B, urefu wa AC tunatumia ile herufi ndogo ya ile angle, which is going to be small letter b. So B is facing the angle B. A, it is opposite with side A, and the C it is opposite with C. So after knowing that, now we have to derive our formula for finding the area of this kind of triangle. Suppose we are using this angle here. This is angle A. Let me call it angle A. So in order to solve this kind of problem, we need to use the concept of trigonometric relation. So we must trigonometric ratio. Here it is height here. This is our height here. And here they have given us an angle. In normal way, area of triangle ABC here is equal to half times base times height. But look about height here. The relationship between this height and this angle here. Because the angle is here, so yeah, it is facing this side B. Let me put here an eraser. Let's say D. But the distance from here to here it is B. So that is so here, right? This angle facing side B, D. If you are going to put these relations in the trigonometric relation, haya yanaonekana chini. Let me read this. I'm just reading sine of this angle A, is equal to, sine, you're using the concept of SOTOKA, but as how you have learned in Form 2, is equal to opposite of hypotenuse, which is sine. So here, our opposite is H. Our hypotenuse, it is C. So to make this H the subject, it will become H equal to, put this one over 1 cross multiplication, C sine A. So instead, here, this H, we are substituting C sine A. I'm just having, are you copying? I'm giving you half minutes to copy what I have done here, and then I'm wrapping. Just copy it. Now, let's continue. So for this case, let me recall here for this area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC equal to half times base times height. My height now, it is C sine A, not H. So C sine of A. So the area here, it is going to be half BC sine A. This is an area of triangle ABC. Furthermore, you may select to use this side here to get area of this triangle again. So the formula will depend on what kind of angle they have given you in this figure. Suppose now they are giving you this angle here, not this one. How to get the area of this triangle? If they are giving you this angle, it means that this is an angle C. So opposite of this one, it is A. The hypotenuse of this small triangle here, it is A. So you are doing the same as I have done here, but the letter is going to interchange. Mean that area of this triangle here, triangle A, B, C, for the given angle C, this one it is for an angle A. Now we are looking for an angle C. It is going to be half times base times height. But my height today, it is here. So I need to resolve it by using angle C. So I'm reading sine of angle C equal to, this is opposite, I'm putting over hypotenuse. So my hypotenuse now, it is A. So to get this H, it is going to be A sine C. Here now, I'm going to substitute this A sine C to get the area by using this angle if they're giving me this angle. So the value will become, just copy it, I need to rub it. Okay. So for this case here, area of this triangle ABC become half B sine, sorry, my height it is A sine A, B times A sine C. Meaning that the formula is the same. But what you are noting, if they are giving you angle A here, these letters here, these letters representing our side are quite different from A. So this is my angle A. So I'm using this B and C, not this A and B. If they're giving me this angle C here, it means that my side is going to include this letter C. I'm going to use side B and A. This is looking A and B, but side C. But if they will give me this angle here, let's say this, I'm just using this one, a green marker pen, to mark it, this one, angle B. Mean that my formula, now it will become half, because this is B, it should set on sine C, sine of angle B. So my letter here will be the one which is not outside of this B, and that B and so A and C for this angle B. Half AC sine B. But for this angle C, half BA sine C. For this angle A, half BC sine A. So angle A, it is existing by the side BC. If angle B existing, our side, it is AC. If angle C existing, our side, it is BA. Are we together? Are we together, class? Okay, now I have to continue now. Let us do some examples. Trying on this part, we have discussed it before. Giving you an examples, you have to take some notes for you. Okay. Just rubbing. Example. Example. For instance, they're asking you to find, say, find the area of a triangle and you see triangles, area of triangles below. I just need to do all the ideas I have given you. Yes, here for this question first, question number 1. This triangle is AB, C. Now let's say the angle is 30 degrees. Here it is 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Yes, now. This is an example. If you look well our diagram, today they don't give us the height. So if you find that the triangle that I have given you, it has no an altitude or height, the formula you're going to use or the concept you're going to use is the one which is come from the trigonometric ratio. I think you have read this when you have been in Form 2 class. So here, also you should know your sides. If this is letter A, meaning that the opposite side of this here, this angle, it is going to be side A. If this is angle B here, the opposite of this side, it is going to be side B. If this is angle C, the opposite of this angle, it is going to be side C. So today they're giving you an angle A, means that in your formula, you're going to exclude side A. We are using these angles which is ambazo zimekumbatia ile pembe yetu, the one which is including our angle between hizi. Kwa hizi side ndio tunazitumia kwenye kanuni yetu, na si hii. This one hatukuitumia. We are not using it. Nyekundu. So from this here, I have to analyze my formula here. Side A, this one, it is not to be in my part, but according to the formula here, this is an angle A. So to get the area for triangle ABC, this will be equal to half times base. Sorry. This is half times, because here this is an angle A. So you must put here sin A. And the left one, it is going to be here. This is A, instead you have B and you have C, which is missing. So we're using side B and side C in our formula. We're excluding this side A because we are dealing with angle A. So for this case here, my B, the value of B, it is 4 centimeters. And the value of C, it is 6 centimeters. So we have to substitute our values. And the angle between, which is angle A, it is 30 degrees. So must solve this one. We have to substitute our values now. Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equal to half times B, which is 4 centimeters, times C, which is 6 centimeters, times, let me write it again. Area of triangle ABC equal to half times here B, it is 4 centimeters, times C, it is 6 centimeters, times sine of 30 degrees. That's how it's supposed to be. So in order to read that sine of 30, you have got three alternatives to do. The first one, you may use your normal calculator to read the value of sine of 30. The second one, because it's a special angle, you may use the table to obtain it. And the third one, you may use the mathematical table, which will be given in your examination or from your school. So according to my lesson today, I'm going to use the calculator to read the value of this sine of an angle. Half times, so here, this half cancel with this one by 2. I'm going to left with 2 centimeter times 6 centimeter times sine of 30. So I'm reading from my calculator sine of 30 to know the value of it. Sine of 30, this is half. Sine of 30, it is half. Half sine of 30. So we are putting here half. So again here, this is now you are taking 2 times 60, this is 12, times half, we're getting 6. So our value, it is 60 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC. That's how we are solving it. See? Are we together, class, for this example? Are we together? Okay, now let me continue again. Let me do another example. Let me do another example. Example 2. Given that the area of triangle PQR is 2 centimeters square. If one amount of the sides between a given if 2 among the sides of the given triangle are 60 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Find the angle included between. Just writing it in this. So make up the question and try to let me solve it, and then I'll give you another for you to try. They've given you an area, 2 sides, which is including a certain angle. So they're asking you to find that angle. Yes, now you have to copy the question. Giving you 1 minute. Copying the question. After, we may continue. The same concept. We have to analyze what they have given us in the question. The question they have given us an area which is equal to 34 centimeters square. They have given us sides. Let me call side P. Let me call side A equal to 6 centimeters. And side B equal to 8 centimeters. mid angle. So, as we have discussed it in this topic, so you have to write the formula. How the formula states area of the triangle equal to half times, because half the side AB. Now we are putting here AB, sine of this triangle, it is theta. Now let me put it here, theta. So what we are finding in this theta, if that n, because I have given us this one, you have given this one already, this one already. So what is missing here, it is here. So we have to find that kind of form, value of angle theta here, according to the nature of the question. To get this value here, just having the question, put up, we have given an area which is 24 centimeters squared. Half times side A, our side it is 6 centimeter times 8, which is side B, 8 centimeters, times sine of an angle theta, angle between. Yes. So here it is becoming 3 centimeters by that one. Now I've put it 24 centimeters square equal to this times this, it is 24 centimeters square times sine of angle theta. So divided by 24 sine square to get this sine theta one. So after dividing by 24 both sides, what is going to happen? These ones cancel. We're left with sine theta. So I'm just writing in sine theta now to be equal to 24 centimeters squared divided by 24 centimeters squared. The value will become 1. Which gave? So we need to remove this sign here in order to get this angle theta. What we're supposed to do here? We are applying sine inverse both sides of the equation. So we are applying here sine inverse on this side, and we are applying here sine inverse of this side here. So this sine and sine cancel. We're going to remain with this theta here equal to. So also you are reading this value from your calculator or from mathematical table. So if you are reading it from the calculator, the value it will be 90. So you look now, the value is going to be 90 degrees. That's how. So this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, let me give you a simple problem to do. Before just writing here a simple problem for you. Yes. And wanaandika